Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me change this. Let me see. I don't even know if it's gonna I don't know if it's gonna connect or not. Let me see. Let me see. Are we live? Y'all, I don't know what's going on right now. Let me see. Okay, so the last stream, I didn't end it. It shut off. It shut off. Now I'm trying to get back on here. I apologize about that, you guys. Shit, you already know what happens whenever we trying to go live. I don't want to blame it on YouTube. I'm gonna blame it on myself, but just tripping. All right, so let's just get back in it real quick. I don't know how long I'm gonna have, so let me just talk about a couple of stocks real quick, and then I can let you guys go because I'm not at home and I don't know what's going on. So let me just look. Okay, so thank you guys so much for your patience right now. Thank you. We're live. Hey, what's up, y'all? Okay, let's hurry up real quick. So the first stock that I want to talk about is AMRS. So let's check this out real quick. Woo! Oh God. Okay. So let me just tell you about this stock real quick. The price. So the price right here. This is a fairly low price stock. These stocks that I'm going to talk about, they're all like 16, 17, 15, $5. They're pretty low and they all have options available. This one didn't do too much right here, but it really started to pick up some movement around December 16th of last year. So it is uptrending. It recently just hit its high of $21 on the 2nd of this month. And so right now it kind of fell down to about 16. To me, I would consider this a correction, like I was just saying. If you watched the video I just posted telling the difference in between a bear down market and a correction, this is something that I would say would be a correction. The last one that we looked at, NIO, child, that's all down, bear down, okay, bear back. So right here, like I said, you're going to see higher highs and higher lows. What I really like about this is overall the stock is trading above these two EMA lines. We'll kind of see. I would want to test it, but just seeing these two lines right here, you see these two EMA lines. The blue one, this is the shorter time, and then the yellow is the longer time. It looks like it's about to cross over. So when the shorter term blue line is on top, that's signaling to you that the stock is uptrending. So I would just kind of wait and see. I want this line, the blue line, to come back up. I definitely don't want that yellow on top. And then just kind of even looking right here. Okay, look down here at this MACD line. The blue MACD is below the yellow signal. So it's kind of, I use the same colors because I use the same concept for both. But you really want this blue line on top. You see right here, the blue line on top, stock goes up. Blue line on bottom, stock drops. So you want to wait for different crossovers and things like that. And all I liked about this is the RSI indicator. So it does have a good RSI overbought, oversold pattern. And right here, when it's around 48, it's been there before in the past around here, around January. And so it'll kind of hit that. It doesn't have to go all the way down to 30. It can kind of tap right there. And so this might be a good time to get in and wait for it to pop back up. So that's the play that I have for this. And like I said, just waiting on when I would want to get in. Ooh, who is that? I see the little super chat. Child, I saw that super chat. Who is this from? This is from GLO. Sent a $4.99 super chat with a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hey, I just wanted to say I appreciate your videos. I show it some to young people that I teach. Thank you for the so thank you so much. That's why I'm glad. I try not to curse too much, honey, because my mom is watching and I know the children are watching too. You don't need to be cussing anyway. That's not cute. But thank you so much for that. But yeah, this is pretty much all I have for this AMRS stock. And let me just jump into the next stock really quickly, and then I'm going to check the comments and see if you guys have anything you want to talk about too. So Let me see. The next stock that we're going to be talking about is EQT. Okay. EQT Corporation. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this one, it looks kind of cute. Now this one is not as uptrending as the last stock that we looked at, but what I do like about this one is it is uptrending right now. It's been on an uptrend since about December of last year. So trending up, you're gonna have a little correction here. Continuing up, slight corrections. It just hit a high of $19.59 on the 17th of February. So it's not too long ago. It hasn't been doing too much movement right here, but like I said, for a stock like this, just looking at the trend, this would probably be a semi-long hold. Now what you can do is if you wanted to play an option on this, you can buy an option call that's in the money and pick an expiration date that's maybe 2-3 months out and just hold on to it. And when you do that, that just kind of gives you more room, more time for the option to become profitable. And I'll just give you an example with I bought a long call on Southwest Airlines, maybe. Oh, the ticker symbol is LUV, but it's for Southwest. I bought that maybe a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. It's already doubled in profit, and it doesn't expire until the 21st of April. So I'm probably going to hold on to that for a little bit just because I know that the airline's about to boom. Now y'all out here getting the vaccines, honey. Y'all hot out here. Y'all trying to get out. So that's pretty much all I have for this one. But this one is a fairly low price, like I said, $17.98. So yeah, I would just do a long call play for this one. Keep it simple. Oh, okay. Love you first. You said you missed the ticker. Okay, this one. Oh, it says it right here, girl. Or man, I don't know who this is. EQT. So this is just EQT. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, somebody else typed it in for you. That's nice. Okay, I'm looking at the Hi, I love your hair. I can't wait to learn from you. Thank you so much. Jacob, I don't know if I want to talk about AMC. I don't want to talk about. Oh, we can let's look at it real quick. I mean, I don't know with this stock. This one I really just don't see too much value in it. We'll see what's going on with the news. I know that this is one of the meme stocks right now. So that's why I really am not trying to really touch a lot of these stocks. Because I do a lot of mine based off chart analysis, and I like to be able to catch patterns. So I mean, if you were looking at it, all right, look, just look at it right now. Just even looking at the RSI, it's at what, 46. It's okay. So I mean, if you wanted to get in, and you know what's going on with the memes and stuff like that, I say even you could get in if you want. Now just look at it, even right here though. Look at the MACD line. It definitely just kind of had a little drop. It's been dropping. I don't know what to tell you about this one. If you wanted to get in, I would just say maybe set an alert or something for this MACD crossover. I would wait for a crossover because you just don't want to get in and it to continue dropping. So that's why I always say just wait for a crossover, something that can alert you that it is continuing on its uptrend. But for something like this, I really can't tell you with all this Reddit groups and stuff like that. I can't tell you with that. Look. Okay. Drew, we talked about NIO first. Okay. What's up, Miss C from Seattle? Sheikah, so for contract, what is she asking? Sheikah, what are you asking me? Okay, we're talking about stocks for the upcoming week. So these stocks, they might pop next week, they might pop the week after that, or they may not pop at all. But that's why I really just kind of like to Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. This is from Patient Money 5. Hey, I'm in Fort Worth and I started a financial channel about a month ago. Big fan of yours. I hope we can collab one day. Thank you so much and congratulations on your channel. Yes. All right, I'm going to do one more. This is from Trader One. How about NNDM? Okay, let's try that one. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for your patience with me this week, because this setup is not my usual. So I'm trying to keep it together for y'all. What did you say? NNDM. Okay, so this next stock that we're doing is NNDM. So nano dimensional LCD. Oh my God. Wow. Oh. Okay. So this stock, I mean, it's been uptrending since around November. It just hit a high in January. Okay, January 26th, it hit a high of 17. And then after that, it tried to have a little correction, but God, dog, this has definitely hit bear market. So I just want to when you guys ask about the correction and things like that, let's say you have it here from this 17, it dropped down from 17 to about 13. That could be a correction. If anything that's like within 10%, that's a correction. But when it goes past the 10 and 20 mark, this is definitely down. But it might not be forever. So if you wanted to get into something like this, what is this? Let's see. Because like I said, overall it was an uptrending stock. So you know what? I really kind of want to start. Let me check the news on this real quick. Hold on, y'all, because I'm curious. So what you can do is you can just kind of check the news and see. That's not the right one. And then DM, let's see. Original, share, so tech company trading lower. AME Academy webinar series. That's not telling me too much. I don't really like looking at news on Thinkorswim. It doesn't tell me shit. All right, yeah. As far as the news goes, I really can't tell you right now. I'd have to go and do some research, but yeah, this one is definitely in the bear. So if you wanted to get into it, like I said on the other ones, you probably want to wait for some type of crossover. But it's looking bearish. So I mean, you can make some moves by maybe doing some put options or something like that. Short sell it. That's all I have to. Okay, let me go into my next one real quick. Let me see. I hope the stream is good. I hope our strength is okay. Let me get into one more. I like this. Okay, so we're going to get into our next stock, and this is ABR. So let's see. Arbor Realty. Wow. Okay. So I really like this stock. So it had a low of 7. This was back in July. It's been pretty much on an uptrend since then. It literally just hit a high the 24th of last month. So it's pretty recent. And so it looks like it's having some sort of correction here. It dropped down to 15. So as far as this stock, because right here, this is kind of trading a little bit deep here below these EMA lines. So definitely for me, and then look down here at this RSI indicator, definitely all the way oversold. So for me, if I wanted to get into something, like, I might not get into this right now. That's the thing. You don't want to jump in too early, and you want to wait for indicators that the stock is continuing on its uptrend. So for me, I need to wait, and I need to see. First, I need this stock to be trading above the EMA lines. I need it to come back. So I'll wait for that. Wait for these crossovers with the EMAs. I like to see that light blue pop back up on top. So just looking overall, that's what I'd like to see. And then the same thing for the MACD. I need a crossover here before I jump in. So you can set alerts. You can set limit buy orders, anything. There's a lot of different things that you can do. But I really do like the way this stock looks. So this would definitely be a long call hold for me, because that's just what I like to do. Okay, let's get back in these comments though. Okay, okay. Okay, let me look at another one. Hey, Promise. This is from Promise. Promise says APA. Okay, let's look at APA real quick. Because it seems like the stream is doing okay. Let's look at that. Whoa! Boop. Okay, how much is this? 23? Girl, this is a good stock. Look at this. Okay, first of all, so this one just hit a little low of 7 here back in October. God, dog, this thing has been going up. Wow. Okay, let me just calm down. Okay, so just looking at it, it literally just hit a yearly high of 23.20. What is this? 23.25 on the 5th. So that was a couple of days ago. So right here, this is where it gets okay. So you see how it is. Look down here at this RSI. It's completely overbought right now. So there's a few different things that can happen. It can touch this. It could. Now this isn't as high as it can go. It can still go up. Just look back here. How it'll kind of touch. Might drop a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Keep going up. So for this, if you have it right now, I would stay in there. And the reason why is because it's uptrending. Now, if you have it, I would probably jump out if this price. So you see, this is your price point. If that price starts to drop below these EMA lines too much, get out of there. So it might do it though. See, look right here, and I believe this is, when is this? Is this after hours? You see here how it kind of boom, kind of fell below, but it didn't stay long though. It wasn't even a day. So yeah, if you have it, I would definitely hold on to this. And if you don't have it, is this a good time to get into it right now? If you did, you kind of be getting into it when it's at its hype point. So for me personally, I don't jump in on stocks when it's at its high, because what goes up must come down. It's probably going to drop after that. I don't know if it's going to drop from this one. That's why I said you just kind of want to wait and see what happens. But if I didn't have this, would I get into it right now at this second? No. But I would definitely put this on my watch list, because the bad boy is going up like crazy. I like this. This is a cute stock. Okay, let's get into another one. That was from Promise. Thank you. Okay. Oh, okay. Tam. Hey, Tam. Okay, Tam says BACQ, day trade long term. Okay, let's look. Thank you. I just want to say, first of all, thank you guys. Thank you guys even for joining the live. Hold on, let me type it in before I forget. Y'all know how I can do. I just want to say thank you guys for joining the live. And also, if you haven't already, please make sure that you thumbs up this video. It really helps me out. And also subscribe so that you get notified. What is this? Okay. I see what's going on. Okay, so she was kind of trading around this 10. She didn't move around too much. She's been trading around this 10 forever. Then all of a sudden on the 2nd of February 26th, jumped up a few dollars, $4, just hit that high. Kind of started to drop. You know, people are going to sell off because they've been holding it for so long they couldn't believe that happened. They probably sold off, but it's seeming like it's starting to go back up. So for something like this, if you have it, hold it until you see that price. You see how that price kind of dropped down like that, but it didn't stay too long though. But you can save yourself some losses during times like this. So that's why I always say, if it starts to drop, for me, if it drops below that yellow, I'm going to probably jump out. And then once you see it cross over again, you can get in. Looking down at the MACD, it's kind of mirroring that. Look at that. That blue MACD line is about to pop back above the signal. That's looking good. And the RSI, about 50. It's not too high. So there's still some room to grow. That's what I see with this one, but I don't know what popped off in the news. Let's look real quick. BACQ. Big tech stock. Let's look. The decline in technology stocks and then it's not telling me anything. I'm not seeing too much. Not on here. Like I said, this doesn't give me my news the best. I don't know. Maybe I like to see some pictures in color. It's just all black and white. But I mean, yeah. It looks decent. It hadn't moved too much for a while, for months, and now we're starting to see some movement. So, if you have it, I'd hold it until it starts to drop below the EMA lines. And yeah, would this be a good time to get into it right now? I would say so. Just look at this EMA line about to pop like that. All right. Damn, I'm missing a lot of comments. Oh, wow, I missed the super chat. Eduardo. Oh. Okay, Eduardo said, let's talk about game. Let's talk about it. And thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you. Let's look at this GameStop mess. Because I told y'all I did kind of jump in on that wave a little bit. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for my shares, but woo-wee. But I'm happy I did if it keeps going up like this. Okay, so with everything that's going on with GameStop right now, let's look. Okay, so it's in an uptrend. Now just kind of look. I know you guys know about charts and stuff like that. Now the slope for this uptrend is not super high. The slope is not big, but it is going up. It's trading above the EMA lines. That's a good sign. Look at that. Now this is kind of, because I told you I'm in the trade, so I am invested in this. Okay, I've been looking at these MACD lines. The MACD is not saying much to me. So look at this. When was this? Yeah, this was back in February. Okay, just look at this MACD line. Boom, all that space in between. First of all, there's a lot of space in between that blue MACD and that signal. So the space in between also is going to tell you how powerful that uptrend momentum is. So looking at this, there's not a lot of space right here, but it's still going up. So, and then, okay, look down at this RSI. RSI is kind of high. It's up there at 62. So I'm hoping this shit don't drop. But we'll see on tomorrow. We'll see. But like I said, it's trading above both of the EMA lines. The shorter EMA line is on top. But this MACD though, just is so small. One can hope, one can pray. So with these stocks and stuff like this, they have all that, the Reddit groups and stuff. Y'all messing up the internet, messing up the stock market. So I really can't tell. All right. Love your channel. Thank you so much. I really feel like I'm just sitting here talking to you guys like y'all are my friends. I'm just sitting here looking at these stocks, running my mouth. So, fellow ape, what does that ape stuff mean? I don't know what that means. Hey Jacob Authentic, because I don't know if you guys trade on Webull. Webull is amazing because they have a comment section. So you can go in there and you can leave comments and read other comments, and people can like your comments and stuff. So on Webull, when they talk about GameStop, they keep talking about apes and stuff like that. Are we still live, y'all? I don't know. It's glitching over here. Hold on. I don't know. I think we'll be all right. Okay, but yeah, I don't know. So that's all I have to say about GameStop. Oh, Eduardo, you left 2 super chats? Oh my gosh, thank you. Kelsey Katz, if you are new, go all in. Okay, yeah. All right, you guys. I don't know how long we've been on here, but I'm probably gonna do one more because I'm afraid that they're gonna cut the stream, so I don't want that. Okay, this is from. Okay, I might do two. I might do two. Okay, from Haninfa 45. This is HYLN. So let's I'm gonna do two more, you guys. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so this stock hit a high of, what is this, 55. This was all the way back in November. Child, she's been dropping ever since. Oh my God. Woo! Drop, drop, drop. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. If I was doing something with this, let me see, because you can get up close. I mean, there's always money to be made. Even if it's a few cents, you can still make some thousands off of a few cents. I snub my nose up at penny stocks, honey, but you can make thousands off some pennies. So don't play. But no, right here, this stock, first of all, it's been just dropping for months. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Completely trading under the EMA lines, honey. MACD down. I would say maybe for me, if I was gonna do something with this, I would look at some type of put plays and something like that, because I wouldn't have time to wait for a quick little uptrend. How long is this? A couple of days of an uptrend from $15 to $18. Okay, from 15 to 20. Okay. Yeah, I mean this one is it. Yeah. Downtrend. Okay, let's go into the next one. Okay, this is from Praveen. This is ACV. So this is gonna be our next one. Oh, cannabis. Okay. Well, so it was okay. It was at a low of $3. That's not too bad. That was back in October of last year. It was at 3. Child, she just hit 21. But it went from 21 all the way down to 9. Golly. That's way more. That's more than a correction. That's a bear market. This thing is dropping. So right now, if you had this, I would say maybe do some puts. There's a lot of puts it's looking like right now. But I do know that the stock market last week was not the best. But I mean, this is trending downward. Let me see. Do we have any support points? I mean, you have a little bit of a support around 10, but it kind of dropped below that. So I don't know. It seems like it's uptrending very slowly. So, but this big drop from 21 to 9, that's kind of off-putting to me. So just see if you have the stock and you're holding on to it. I don't know what to tell you about this one, but I mean, like I said, there's always value to be made. But just overall, if that I wouldn't invest in this right now. But that's just me. So, I think that might be all I have for the stocks, you guys. Brandon, okay, Brandon is spamming these comments. I might have to block him. Oh. Well, I'm gonna do it, but Brandon, he wants us to do Groupon or something, so let's do that, and then we gonna go. Don't spam the comments like that. Actually, no, I think that's probably good. Spam the comments. Okay, what is this GRPN? This is gonna be our last one. I know I said it was. Ooh, what? I didn't know Groupon was doing that. God dog. Oh my God. What happened to Groupon? Hold on. Let me just take this in. Because I know a lot of you guys, I know a lot of you guys, when you signed up, if you signed up to Robinhood or whatever, I know Groupon was one of the stocks that I always get. So, but yeah, I mean, wow. It just hit a high of 63. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. Brandon. Okay, so this stock, okay, just even looking right here, it's really overbought right now. Obviously, it's very popular. Um, wow, just look at this jump with the MACD. Huge jump with the MACD. Now you're gonna have a little bit of a. It's kind of look like it's kind of trying to dip right here a little bit. We'll see. I say keep your eye on this one. I feel like it might drop a little bit just after such a high momentum. It's gonna drop, but we don't know how much. Okay, if you have it, I'd say hold it until you start to see it drop below. I'd say below this furthest EMA line out, the 20, the yellow. So if it starts to kind of drop below that, it may be time to drop out. But I mean, right now Groupon is doing very well. It's completely uptrending. Wow. I would sleep on Groupon. This is really good. Yeah. So that's all I have to say about that one, you guys. We're probably gonna wrap this up because, dang, Eduardo, how many super chats did you leave? Okay, let me see. Eduardo said, and thank you again. Best indicator, market open, buy game. All right. Brandon, Eduardo, how many super chats did you leave? Thank you. Brandon is a Groupon shill fam. Game only. All right, you guys. She's so dramatic. I am a little dramatic. Ooh, the black Inuyasha. I used to love Inuyasha. You have some pretty cheeks when you smile. Thank you. All right, you guys. I'm getting out of these comments. Y'all acting up. Okay, so hold on. Let me flip the script on y'all real quick. Let me flip the script. Okay. All right, you guys. So we can kind of wrap this up real quick. I know this is kind of a short live, but I still have to come and just kind of spend time and talk with you guys. So I really appreciate you. I think we're at maybe 62,000 now. We were just at 50 or 60 last week. So I mean, you guys are really coming in. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for your support. To Black Girl Stocks, Look at my little cut here, Yeah, this is just a channel, just me, just a simple girl talking about stocks. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I can see Sharon. Hey Sharon. I can see you guys in the comments, stuff like this. So yeah, thank you. I'm running my mouth. Y'all know how I get. Let me sip some water. Let me take this thing off though. I'm not sponsored by any water company, so nobody get no free promo from me. Ugh. Hold on. You guys, make sure you drink a gallon of water a day, or a half a gallon or something. Just make sure you drink your water. Take your vitamins, maybe, just some vitamins and stuff like that. Get some sunlight. I know a lot of POC, people of color, I know a lot of us are deficient with vitamin D, so double up on that. It makes you happy. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of free promo real quick, but I know. If you guys just kind of need a little pick-me-up and you believe in manifesting and just good energy and stuff like that, and you read The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, she has another book called The Power that's really good. So I was reading this on the plane. It's a really good book, and it just helps you visualize and feel the good things that you need to feel. So if you want to trade your stocks and you want to get your money up, feel it. Feel success. Feel wealth. Feel just good strategies. Feel everything. Feel good. Be happy. And I'm running my mouth. I'm gonna cut it. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch. Who is this? Oh, okay. Hold on. I see it. Hold on. Let me see. Somebody said a quick one, please. This is from Damilola. Quick one, please. I'm a newbie in trading. Which is better to start, stocks or Forex? Girl, I don't do Forex. That's a good question. I think you should try to do both and do which one speaks out to you, because I know Forex deals with currency money. I mean currency honey. And money is always going to be here. So, well, it might not. I don't know. For the time being, money is very important. So, Eduardo, how much money are you going to put in here? Thank you. I know currency is going to be here right now until Bitcoin knocks it out. So, I say do both. And if stocks feels easier to you, do that. If Forex feels easier to you, do that. But I know a lot of people say reading the stock charts are very similar between the two. So if anything, I say, girl, you better learn how to read a stock chart, and you can do both. Stop playing. Y'all, I told you I'm about to go. I'll do one more. Okay, so this is from Aquaman Love. This is from the Money John. You're so awesome. Thank you so much. I'm really not. I'm just sitting here talking to you guys. I'm gonna do one more because you sent a little super chat, so you already know. Okay, this is. let me change it. Y'all tripping today. Okay. One more. This is JELD. This is from Aquaman. Aquaman Love. Peace. Ooh. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. Now, this is the type of stock that I would like. It's definitely uptrending. It's been uptrending since June of last year. I mean, it's a small growth, but just look at it. Just growing. Now, it just hit a high of $31 back in February 24th. Now, we have a little bit of correction. This is correct. Okay. But it's coming back though. So it dropped down to 25, kind of correcting itself. But hopefully it continues on its uptrend. Now look at this though. This is beautiful. Look at it. Okay. So we're right here. This is where we are. This is a good place to be. Do you want to get in, or if you have it, I would say hold it because it's in an uptrend. Now, if you would want to get into it right now, I would say it looks good. Look at this RSI. The RSI is right here around 49. So, I mean, it has room to grow. The MACD, I would wait for a MACD crossover, of course. But, I mean, the stock, look at it. I mean, it jumped right. Look, it looks like it's trying to jump right here and trade above the EMA lines, but that yellow, the longer term yellow is still on top. So keep your eye open. Keep your eye on me. Yeah. Oh, I don't know what that was. But yeah, it's uptrending. I like it. What is this? $27 a share? Yeah. I would say get in there right now will probably be a good time. After this big correction, you know they're going to be jumping back in there. Child, please. Yeah, that one's cute. I like that one. Okay, so that's it, you guys. We're going to wrap this up. Hold on. I don't even know. Could y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see it. All right, we're about to wrap it up. Okay. All right, you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you click that thumbs up button. Really helps the channel. Subscribe. Hold on, should I play this? No. I'm gonna play some real quick. Hold on, watch this real quick. Yep.
Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, and I got the MACD tee specifically for my fellas. What's up, fellas? Go ahead, get the socks, make an outfit out of it. Get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Okay, that's it. We're going to cut it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. We're going to have some really good videos coming forward. So appreciate you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, bye.